Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting and preparing the disk. This matters because surface contaminants mimic damage and mislead troubleshooting. Once done, remove loose dust with a soft blower and wipe from center outward with a lint-free cloth and 90% plus isopropyl. Make sure to avoid circular motions that deepen scratches. If the disk is cracked, stop. Do not attempt polishing. Now test the disk on a second drive to separate drive issues from disk problems, and proceed only when you've confirmed the problem is surface-related. You'll now remove fine scratches by cleaning and gentle polishing. The how is controlled abrasion that evens microgrooves so the laser can read. First, wash with mild soap and water, rinse and dry center outward. Then apply a pea-sized amount of plastic-safe polish or plain non-gel toothpaste. Buff with a microfiber cloth using 10 to 20 straight strokes from center to rim. Once finished, rinse again, dry, and test the disk. If read errors persist, repeat a single controlled pass and retest to avoid over-polishing. For stubborn problems, you move to advanced fixes. A commercial resurfacer can remove deeper scratches safely, so consider renting or using a shop. If the disk becomes readable even intermittently, immediately create a full digital backup to preserve data. Use imaging software to copy sector by sector if possible. Make sure to stop further physical attempts if the disk shows cracking or deteriorating readability. If backups fail and data is critical, consult a professional data recovery service. They have specialized tools that exceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.